Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look again at BONK here. We're going to double check a couple things. We are retesting this most recent resistance at 24.8, an important level to close above here today. We're going to be looking for something along those lines here today. Let's look at the back-end data here, kind of just see where we're at here and just generally understand, best practice and big picture for situations like this. Because when it comes to liquidation, if I recall correctly, we had some liquidation levels above the price action on the monthly. We also see this on the 7-day. So over the last week, we've got concentration about 1,800 upwards of 2,800. So we're kind of in the upper range of that. We're getting closer to this 26 to 2,800 range. So it makes more sense for the price to swing up than down. But if we take a look at this monthly here, and I talked about this recently, that is a lot of liquidation, folks. So keep in mind, heavier concentration. If you zoom out a little bit for the last couple of weeks worth of trading, a lot of shorts could get destroyed here soon. That also implies a lot of people are shorting because they feel confident with it too. Right, so keep that in mind. This is somewhat of a resistance. This could very well be a double top. I don't necessarily think so, but it is something we want to be mindful of. Having said that, let's take a quick look at the daily and work our way down, kind of see where we're at. And while we're actually pulling this up, I do want to kind of say congrats to our community members for our premium trades. Took some nice profits here from Bitcoin, 45%, Chainlink, 10%, and 63% from Caspa. It's a good little weekend for us there. So taking a look at BONK daily time frame, let's recognize this here. First of all, we're above the 20-day SMA and the 200. It's a very positive sign. We can see upwards here with this upper liquidation range, that 50-day SMA hanging out. So if you're going to secure profits, ensure you secure profits somewhere between now and then. Okay, it's important not to get super greedy in this market right now, and just recognize that good trades can go bad pretty quick. So we're over 50 on the RSI for the moment. So closing today at the current price point or higher is advantageous. Stochastic RSI swinging up, MACD converging. These are all very bullish signs. So the 4-hour time frame is exuding some good transitional behavior. We can also see the most recent point of control here, roughly 23.5, as a strong amount of volume below the price action, reaffirming that support. Okay, we can also confirm that we're getting closer to a resistance range here at the 70 in the RSI, stochastic swinging down, and we can also see MACD kind of sort of increasing here as well. So a lot of this is conflicting because we see a couple of things telling us it should turn around, but it isn't. The thing we can recognize, though, is the fact that we are roughly, 7 candles into this continuation. So we probably have 2 more green candles before the price pulls back. So in a perfect world, the price is going to come up here, sweep this liquidity, retrace, consolidate at this level here, and continue higher. Okay. Generally speaking, that's kind of what we're looking for. That could give us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, 2, depending on how it plays out. So we could see an Elliott wave here soon. A little premature to note that, but it is still very relevant. Taking a look at the hourly, last thing to kind of summarize here is that we're going to be above the cloud. Conversion line, baseline, everything is perfect here. So if you have a long position open, you want to leave it open. Do not short into this coin. There's no reason for it at all. Okay, so again, positive stuff here. You're more likely to find success going to the upside than the downside. Keep in mind with Bitcoin pulling back like it has or is, you can recognize that BONK could also do something similar. But I think it has a lot of support here in this range here. There's definitely no reason for it to come down too low. I'll go and update our playout chart here. I'll post that on our Twitter, Telegram, Discord, just so you can kind of get perspective on where we're at with that. I have those every time I analyze a video. We also have TikTok and YouTube Shorts, so check them out. It's really a lot of fun. I do appreciate all the feedback and wonderful, wonderful considerations here recently. We got some really cool people over there, so thanks again. All right, folks, so that's pretty much all we got here. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you the next one. Have a good one. Take care.